All right, what I want to do here now, I want to go on into trade of the day for us guys, and it's Tesla. Now, like I said to you before, the thing that you guys will notice when you guys do first join True Trading Group is that you are notified far in advance of what it is that the moderator is going to be doing. There's a lot of people that have been part of a lot of other trade alert services that are out there, and they're always late to trade alerts. You always get these trade alerts that come out, and by the time you get in, the stock's already moved significantly higher. And by the time you get in, the person's alerting that they're getting out, and the stock just drops back down, and you're constantly chasing your tail. You don't have to worry about that stuff with your trading group because the moderators and I tell you what our game plan is before the market's even open. Today, Tesla was one of my top trade ideas of the day for very specific technical reasons. It's a purely a technical trade. Elon Musk recently, had his visit in China. Things went very, very well. There was also news that the company reduced pricing again on certain models, but there was also some data that came out circulating around just EVs in general and the demand for new cars, and that was positive and that was strong. So I'm like, okay, so you have this undertone of positivity around Tesla, but the chart pattern is also setting up very nicely as well. What I want to do for you guys here real quickly is I want to show you how you can rely on the moderators to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, so you guys don't have to be guessing during your trading day. I have a quick video clip for you. Now, this is from our chat room in the pre-market session before the stock market ever opened, where I go over my game plan. I tell traders and members of TTG exactly what the plan is, exactly what stocks I'm focusing on, and what the game plan is. It's not enough to just say, okay, guys, Tesla's on my watch list today. That doesn't tell anybody anything. That does nobody any good. You need to know what the plan is. Okay, well, if Tesla's on your watch list, what price are you going to buy it? What price are you going to sell it? Simple as that. Right? You need to know that information. It's exactly what we provide you with. So let's go ahead real quick, guys. We're going to play the clip from pre-market, before the market ever opened, of exactly what we thought Tesla was going to do today. Let's play the clip. Tesla. I like Tesla long. We, for 2 consecutive days, have held the 200-day moving average. You got earnings coming out from Lucid, pathetic. That stock's getting pulverized. You're seeing Tesla for 2 days now hold that 200-day moving average. If there's a pullback towards 200, 199, 200, I'm going to try to get long Tesla in front of that 200-day moving average and see if we can push now off the 200-day. Minimum 207.5. Minimum 207.5. And that's going to be the previous pivot top on the end of March, but has potential to get all the way to like 212 to 215. Has potential to get that high. And it's just going to be a play off of the 200-day moving average. We've done a nice job of staying above it for 2 consecutive days. You can see tail underneath, close above, tail underneath, close above. So watch that pullback tail down to it again. If that pullback tail gets down there again and it holds again, why not? I'll take it. We'll take it. We'll try the long. So there you guys have it. So that's the video clip from the pre-market session where we're talking about Tesla. You heard me very plain and clearly say, what was the price level that we said we wanted to be buyers of Tesla at? 199 to 200. So let's draw a line across 199.50. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Guys, the analysis does not get any better than this. There's a beautiful double bottom right there at 199.50. There's first bottom. There's second bottom. Beautiful reversing tail. You see then 2 consecutive tails showing me buying pressure in front of that low, confirming the double bottom. There it is. You see those 2 bottoming tails right there at that double bottom. And that's exactly at the point where we then took our trade and entered Tesla long right here on $200.60. Right here is the entry. I'll highlight it for you because you heard me on the video clip. 199 to 200. 199 to 200. That's the level we want to be buyers. So the stock drops down into it. I enter the trade. I alert to members. If you guys, I trade the equity, right? So I bought the equity. I bought shares. But if you have a small account and you can't afford to buy a $200 stock, don't worry about it. We always alert you and notify you to. We always alert you and notify you guys to an option that you can trade alongside me if you want to follow the trade alert and you want to trade an option with it. And I told members to go after next week expiration. So not tomorrow's expiration, but the June 9th expiration, $205 strike call option. And at the time, that option was around $5.50, $5.60. A lot of members got in around 560, 565, 558, 550. So some members got in all right around that 550 to 560 price point on the call option with the entry right here. And then you guys can see just the rest the rest is just history. You get a nice clean bounce off of that level, and the stock just starts churning its way higher. I mean, this was just an unbelievable trade for us today. Just absolutely ripped face. And I just got taking profits off all along the way. So I took profit off once there. I took another piece of profit off here. We then took another piece of profit off here. And then we had one more here. And then my final take was 209.53, I think it was 209.53. So again, I think it was either 53 or 57. I forgot the exact 53 or 57. So here was the entry. And then you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, final take. Unbelievable trade. It's a monster.